In this video, we'll show you how to set up multiple repeats of the same design in a given hoop. To do so, first select a hoop. For example, if this is the hoop that you want to use, we'll go ahead with that. If you want to choose a different hoop, go to your hoop positioning and selection screen, go to change, and pick whichever hoop you want to. For example, 32 centimeter square, escape back out. And then to do design auto repeats, go to the main menu and choose setting. In the settings screen, there are 4 subscreens. The auto repeat is the second subscreen, so choose that. First of all, you'll want to set the distance between each iteration or copy of the pattern by choosing this icon here that looks like 2 flowers. And it'll first tell you to set the horizontal distance between each, and this will be in millimeters. So for example, if you want to have a ½ inch between each, so you set it to 13 millimeters, which is a ½ inch. So that'll put a ½ inch gap between the columns. And then now it'll ask you for the vertical distance between each row. So we'll do the same thing, a ½ inch gap, and set. And then by pressing the last button in this icon stack, it will now automatically calculate based on the size of the design, which is up here, and the gap that you want, and the hoop that you've selected, how many copies it will fit. And as you can see with a 12 inch by 12 inch hoop, it's decided that it can fit 6 copies of that. To see that out in the main screen, we'll press the home button, and you can see the design here, and all you have to do is press the centering button to move the design to the middle of the hoop, and you can see how that aligns, and it will start with the lower left copy and continue on over, sewing row by row. To clear out any settings and start over, go back to the settings screen and the second tab with auto repeat, and there's a button here that looks like 2 sets of dip switches. Press it and it will set it back to 1 copy.